Welcome to Join the Blog Club. This is week 2. Please turn to page 12 of your Start a Blog Join the Club workbook. We're going to create your blog. Go to Blogger at www.blogger.com. You can find the direct links at jointheblogclub.com. Select links and codes. We are in week 2, so select week 2 links. Click the page 12 Blogger link. This takes you to Blogger. Sign in using your Google account. This is the Gmail address you created last week. Next, you will be asked to confirm your profile. We will be editing your profile later, so you can select Continue to Blogger. Select New Blog. You will be brought to a screen that asks you to add a title. This is the name for your blog that you picked last week. This will be what shows to everyone. Capitalization and punctuation count, but this can be changed later. You will also add a domain name. This will create the .blogspot.com domain. You will add the custom domain later. It will tell you if the domain with the .blogspot.com is available. If it's not, and you know that the custom domain is, or you've already purchased a custom domain, just create something close. And then pick a template. You can pick anything. It can be changed later. And select Create Blog. This takes you to your dashboard. The dashboard is Blogger's interface. If you have multiple blogs, they would all be listed here. Click on the title of the blog you just created. This takes you to Overview. This is the main navigational screen for your blog. Next, we will add a custom domain. If you don't want to add one, you're done with this step. Congrats! For the rest of you, we will add a custom domain using GoDaddy, as you can no longer purchase domains through Blogger. This is recently changed and is different than what is in your workbook. Sign into Blogger and select your blog. Keep Blogger open, but in a new tab or window, go to GoDaddy.com. If you previously purchased a domain, just log into your GoDaddy account. Search to see if the domain you want is available. If it is, click Add and select Continue to Checkout. We don't need a website or hosting, so just click No Thanks. You can purchase the domain for as long as you like. I only want mine for 1 year right now, so I'll change it. You'll be able to renew it at the end of the year, though, to make sure you get to keep it. And click Proceed to Checkout. If you don't have a GoDaddy account, click Continue under New Customers and fill out the information to create a new account. If you already have an account, just sign in and complete your purchase. Once you are logged in, click the arrow next to your name and click Visit My Account from the drop-down. Once you are on your account page, click the Launch button for domains. Click the name of your domain for your blog. Click the tab labeled DNS Zone File and click the Edit button. Under the section titled CNAME or Alias, click the pencil in the second column of the www row where there's an @ symbol. This will allow you to edit that space. Delete the @ symbol and type ghs.google.com into the space. While you're still under the CNAME section, click the Quick Add button and go into Blogger. Click Settings. Under Publishing, you will see your current blog address. Click the Add a Custom Domain. Type the custom domain into the space next to http://. Make sure you include the www and the .com. Click the orange Save button. An error message will come up that says we have not been able to verify your authority to this domain. You will see name, label, or host field with www under it, and under that will be a series of letters and numbers. This is a code that is unique to this blog. So we're going to copy it, the shorter one only, and go back into GoDaddy and paste the code in the first column, which is the shorter column, of the new row you just added before. Then go back into Blogger and copy the longer second code. Back in GoDaddy, paste the second code into the second column and click the Save Zone File button. It will ask you to confirm. Click OK. Under the section titled A or Host, click the Quick Add button 4 times to make 4 new rows. In the first column, the host column, type your domain name without the www into all 4 rows. So I'm typing only trishastomatoes.com into all 4 rows. In the next column, the points to column, enter the following. In the first row, type 216.239.32.21. The second row, type 216.239.34.21. The third row, type 216.239.36.21. And in the fourth row, type 216.239.38.21. You can find these numbers also at jointheblogclub.com. Click Save Zone File and confirm. Then go back into Blogger and click Save. However, it can take an hour or more for the settings to be recognized. If for some reason Blogger is still not able to verify your ownership of the domain, it will give you a new code. The only thing you need to change in GoDaddy is the code that you put in before. So back in GoDaddy, delete the code that you put in before under the CNAME section. Click the Quick Add button and copy and paste the new code just like before. Click Save Zone File and confirm. When Blogger recognizes your ownership of the domain, it will show your domain name and show that it is now redirecting your .blogspot name. We still have one more step, so click Edit next to your domain name and click the box to redirect if someone types your address without the www. Click Save, and you're done. So now we'll test it out. Go to a browser, and we're going to type the web address and make sure it goes to your blog. So I'm typing www.trishastomatoes.com, and it takes me to the blog. And then I'm trying it without the www. So I'm just typing trishastomatoes.com, and it also takes me there. So we know we have the settings correct. And congratulations, you did it. You have created your blog. Make sure you go back to page 11 of your workbook and check off Create Your Blog. Good job.